I am a severe introvert. Oh my gosh. I found out here mopping. Just tidying the room that Mum's going to be sleeping in. Couldn't even understand how he's all saying right now.
I'm excited to see her. It's been a long time.
Morning guys. So I'm up nice and I wouldn't say nice and too early, but it is 8 o'clock. I woke up at 6 something because these dogs, Michael nephews, face sleepover dogs. But they weren't too bad. I went to the bathroom and then Peanut was like, it's just a little bit tough having 2 dogs, and I appreciate the reminder that I don't need another dog because I could very easily go and get one, and I wanted one. But having 2 dogs, and Bear is just a particular kind of dog, it's just very chaotic. But the 2 of them together, Bear is just doing the most. I'm about to head out to the farmer's market now. I don't know if we've announced it or if you know, tomorrow is the big day. So we're gonna get the house ready, vacuum, mop, clean the spare room, just like tidy it up a bit because that's where she will be staying. I washed my hair last night and it's just so luscious. I love this new era that I'm in, like taking care of my hair, not washing it. Well, people ask like, how do you get nice hair? I've always had thick islander hair, long hair, but lately, like, it used to be a real big frizz ball because I used to wash my hair every day or every second day. I just thought that's what you needed to do. And then I watched somebody's video and said, you're not supposed to wash it every day. You're supposed to wash it like once a week or once every 10 days to 2 weeks. And that's what I've been doing. And honestly, it changed my hair game so much. In the beginning, I used to get a lot of dandruff and it used to get real smelly. But now it doesn't. Like, it could last a full week to 2 weeks and you would not even know that the last time I washed it was 10 days ago. So I usually go 10 days. 10 days is usually my max, 7 to 10 days. It's helped my hair oils take care of the business. But my parents are coming back and I'm so excited. This is my jam. It's from Moses Bliss, I believe, and it's been on repeat for me this week. I had a really bad week this week, but this song really helped me. It's just a reminder that no matter what I'm going through, I may even feel like everything I do is in vain, but when I listen to this song, it's just it's so good. He's too faithful to fail us, too faithful to disappoint us. We may be disappointed. I'm not saying you will never be disappointed, but just know that God has a plan for you. And everything that he does, everything he's involved in, is for our good. It's all working together for our good. Bruh, I was not recording that whole time. Recap. I'm here at the farmer's market by myself, and there is just beside me such beautiful, beautiful outdoor plants. Got a massive flower show plant sale going on here in Canberra farmer's market. I only got mandarin, apples. We usually come and get our eggs from here because we get a tray of 30 for like $18. And good quality too. You know, the color of the yolk, it matters. I feel so tired. I'm literally running off like 5 to 6 hours sleep. And once I'm up, I can't force myself to go back to bed. It's just so hard. So beside the point, every time I come, I love to get myself flowers for the house. Oh, hold on, my sister. Hello? Oh, hi, Molly. How are you?
I wanted to know, did you get an oil pulling thingy?
No, I just got coconut oil from the shop and pulled it myself.
Did you notice the difference for that?
Yeah, actually I did. I got less toothaches and it gets rid of cavities and stuff like that. And it's a natural teeth whitener. Coconut oil. Teeth pulling. Oh my god, Molly, I just got a message from my neighbor and I really don't want to go to their thing, but I already RSVP'd and now I can't pull out.
Why can't you pull out?
Because I feel so pressured. One of her 30th, one of the girls that live, they're celebrating at dinner at Saffron or something. Honestly, this Molly girl, you better watch out for her. She calls me and she yells at me. She wasn't yelling at me. She was actually just trying to get me together because I have this dinner thing with our neighbors. And I'm like, why do I even say yes? I am a severe introvert, guys. You may not know this because I vlog and I'm, but I am a severe introvert. I get anxiety when I have to speak to people that I don't know, that I'm not comfortable with, meeting new people. It's much better now because of the position I am in at work. Requires me to be a certain way, to lead, to correct, to advise, help, talk, stand up in front of people, this and that. And it's helped me. Honestly, it really has. And I'm grateful for that opportunity and that experience because I don't want to be this severe person. So that's why I feel like I am saying yes to these invites and I am pushing myself. But then when it comes to the day, I really, really, really don't want to do it. I get anxiety before I have to go and I'm like, I don't want to go. And that's how I'm feeling with this neighbor dinner thing. It is one of my neighbor's 30ths. But I wanted to show you before I drive off because I'm meeting Molly for coffee. She called me, so we're going to go have some coffee before I start the day. So my household slept in, so sorry about it. You missed out. Watch this vlog and just know that I enjoyed my little brekkie before I came home. And I ain't gonna say nothing. But these are the flowers that I got myself. I got myself these flowers to put in the house. They are so pretty. And I wanted to get 2 different shades of pink. I wanted a lighter one to make it more obvious, but they were dead. So I went with these 2. This one's like a hot pink and a kind of lighter pink, but they're so pretty. These are so pretty. This is a different shade of pink. Oh my gosh. Honestly, it's the small things in life, but this right here, it making me so happy right now. How pretty this is. Like, for real right now, my bro. You are a bit smelly, girl. I hope they don't mind, but I want to give you a bit of a tour of the Empire. A little plug here for Alpine Saunas. Alpine Saunas. This is an exclusive tour, okay? Don't tell them I was here. Wow. Oh my god, that is so cool. And then this is the ice bath. Man, this view is just astounding. It's amazing. Very, very pretty. Hey, Cookie, look. You're smelly, you need a bath. It's so peaceful out here, like you can scream as loud as you wanted and no one ain't gonna hear you. Just hope that no one's gonna come and try and murder you back here, cause ain't no one coming for you. Just come inside to get the dogs foods because they don't usually eat this early, I know, but we've got a full day ahead of us. Even though the day is almost halfway, we still got to head out to the Fishwick markets. I was at the farmers market this morning, but we've got to go to the Fishwick markets to get some fish for all I eat tomorrow. And then on top of that, we still need to vacuum and mop our house because we had 2 dogs in. Vacuum, mop, clean both cars, and still out the back work outside. Aussie still wants to cut a tree. I actually don't think we'll have time, so we might have to postpone that one. But we definitely want to get our house clean, and then I got to get the spare room clean and ready. Yeah, I'm going to feed the dogs a little bit early today, this arvo, because we won't have time to come back. So let's go. Thank you. What you looking at, huh? Little punk? As I don't see the fish that we usually get. These are snappers. This is my mom's favorite one. Oh, it's a barramundi. Oh, silver bream. So I was going to get that wamamoy, and they were so chunky. Oh, is it up to me or is it up to your bank account? Up to my bank account. I should have started the camera before. I'll just do a quick before and after, but I'm just tidying the room that Mum's going to be sleeping in. So I've actually pushed this bed. See those marks in the floor? Because Mum's just one. It should be fine to push the bed to one side. After this, I'm going to have to clean my car. This is kind of like because our cupboard is so small in our room. This is like our extra cupboard that we've been using, and I definitely need to make room for her because this ain't it. But let's see how we go. The fan out here mopping. Laura's cleaning the bathroom. I know this is the one that Sia folded. My sister folded this, and I can tell because of how neatly folded it is. Where the heck is the other pillowcase? I actually can't find it. Alright, let me just start with this first. I need to find the other pillowcase. Oh my gosh. Well, that's because I pushed the bed. So much quicker than we anticipated. Bed's made. Cupboard in here is all cupboarding. Her robe, a jacket. We packed a little bit up there. And a little tiny space for her clothes. Morning, guys. Today is I'm exhausted. I'm all kinds of exhausted. You couldn't even understand how exhausted I am right now. I got home from the dinner, started cleaning our room, rearranging clothes, refolding clothes, because everything that was in this room, I took to my room. I just can't sleep around mess. It just overwhelms me, and if I leave it too long, it will overwhelm me to the point where I won't do anything about it. Like analysis paralysis. I will analyze everything and think, it's too hard, it's too much, I'm not doing it. I did it last night and I packed up everything and I just felt so good about it after. So I didn't finish until like 12:30 a.m. So I am up early, Loy's up early, Aussie is slapping. And I'm gonna go vacuum the car. After I vacuum it, if I still have time, I have to wash the car myself. Mind the morning looks, guys, okay? In a couple hours, we're not gonna be looking like this, so don't mind us. Laura's like, oh hell no, take that camera away. Hell nah, bro. It's all happening in our household, guys. We're having this Japanese Java curry, lapisi. Laura's cooking up a storm in the kitchen. Aussie's making crumb fish, so he's on the crumb fish at the moment. All ready for church now, guys. Just need a clip at the back of my hair. So we're off now, y'all. Going to church, and then we'll leave. And we'll meet them at the airport. Exciting times. How do you feel to have your grandma almost here? What did you say? You're excited?
I can't wait to see her.
Oh, I'm excited too. Mum's been sending me videos and they were in Fiji and Becca just looks so excited. We were talking to Aussie's brother Pekelo at like 2 a.m. here, 1:30 a.m. here, and 1:30 to 2 a.m. Oh my God, I'm so tired. 1:30 to 2, sometime around that, Australian time. And they were saying, Pekelo said that the old lady leading up to her trip, she's not been able to sleep, she doesn't want to eat because she's so excited. She's just like, no, I'm not hungry. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, so we'll check in with you guys after church. Moment of truth, guys. We got an extra passenger here.
Oh, hell no.
Don't know, you seriously need a haircut. It's so terrible. Here, you hold it. Say something. Lord, you never hold the camera or say anything.
I did hold the camera.
Yeah, but you don't say something.
I do say, yeah. Now your turn.
Cheers, guys. What's up, guys?
Hey?
$5 TV was how far? Yeah. I will just come to pick up my mum and dad. So, yeah. I'm excited to see her. It's been a long time. Hey?
April?
Yeah, April. Not that long, but
Yeah, it wasn't that long.
I think she's so excited to come back to Australia.
She hasn't been here since 2019.
Yeah, 2019, but yeah, I'm so happy to spend time with her because she's getting old, so I have to spend time with her.
Okay, over to Loa. Loa, how are you feeling to see Nana? Your Nana?
I'm so excited. I haven't seen her since, when was it? Last year?
February.
February 4th. Yeah, but I'm looking forward to it. She's probably going to call me fat, but it's alright. A good chip, dude. It's okay.
And now, how are you feeling to see your nanny and papa?
Makinganya fa umam. Mua mako. Ifofu fa uma siking. Ai voi wakang yung misia maya mau. Kami ye wala sisi bili mai. Faya. Oli helpful here. So se kanya makeu wai e muli ai mau.
Ay, mo kayo ma. Pero lista, vale.
Vin mai pe kala wala umbe mako me ai in ka avare makyo mai le wafu I oi savai.
Mo, mo fia wasa.
Ah,
Mo fia wasa.
ai au fia wo sa pra fa adwa fia mai se kam. Oi, ye lema kwa mako wo le fali. Mako ma se lo ama Siaosi makavale a wiki ma kwara mai de skavale kwa.
Me singo ko ban malanga mangwia.
Ia. Fa fe kai lava. Bilibili klava vai loa. Mai loa.
Le umia e koe rua.
Ia. Le umea ka whao ai koe laku mai loa. Ia.
Mga pofai mai te kau pita i oi kasabat bat obat awala e ngau ia ai anu kari e
Sau maro ke me chor. Mare ba ber bo ko ngama ai ya ke de nga. Foi me ko nga ni aro no makka ya mapo.
bai ko sango a sango
Le fai kile.
Baby, come. Come, baby.
Tofu.
Tau ki ia na waro wanga nei pa so moro ko ko fai. Ya na ko ya nai. Kala na mai tu tu nu ma tu ia. Mau se ma tu ma se fa.
Mai ia ia. Ai pika mo pa ia.
Ya, asyik dia.
Ai tahu
Mai dia pa
Depois lo bikin masuk. Ya.
siap sani
Dia lomba. Tu fa, ini ada fa. Lah, isso tu queria.
Vicky, eu fui ali me alisar o opo o.
Ele é mamau que ele mai. Você vai.
Ia. Va ko fallar se lo.
We're one big happy fan bam, guys. Got both mums in the back.
fale mua lai oi i race da
Here.
Vicky o ringa sa mai ole
Wa mai tātou le nei afi manuia matamofie.
kari le kaupoi
Sio povi. Sio fanga.
misia ia nga povi malanga kamo kango
Vai eu o colocar vale que foi curi mai loanga pom.
Oh.
Ia e ko inga.
Ei no le leila ko saula ko wala ko dad. Ape ui ko foi mai ka ko dad ka ko.
I'm so happy welcome home Wendy you miss Nanny
Mas aku ni. Kau.
Ese pouco rei kuai.
Ui. Ngai le meski ngai ngala.
Ai yo.
Ko da ngai aqui. O ka vale lá.
Le ho whakaua mo laua.
Ui, ma ngai. Ia paseni. Ela não sei lá paseni. O moco ia ko moco ma. Fa. E ka fasku. Lei kai mai no.
Whainganga.
Ai va ai i o ni mela ko fa. Ai va ai ki kiro ko. Lai fai e pe kero. Ala la ko.
Vai lo fuspa. Fa mau lo fuspa.
Ni ke o. E ngalo e ka ika.
Awa sa mo ye ni fuspa.
Sala i lo si ma o. Ai va ai ye. Wa fu le nga faari ma ia u fa. Ai fa me kala o a vele e le ruli ma o e le. Aba e fa kai kai lo nga po va yo ma ai ye. Nga ku ale u fa fa ma. Ele kala o fui o fui se ma ya ma ka que pe que lo que le a ia ka kia I pe kelo ka kia I tina a moi lunga fo ai moi fo me I vai pula ka ia me moi ai la ma ga ia le
de inisi Mule inisi o mako
fali fali le men ka ako maka ide di la pe kilo maka se pe kilo la fa me ma aru pa mama ma fa me le pe kilo ri ko ri fa ko wa wa fa me ma ka ma ko wa me pe ma lu so yeso mi ama ngam e wa lu mo wa